All right, you guys, game number 12 of Biddy Buckets. We are officially in week 2. So how this is going to work is that you're going to have 2 weeks in the span of one actual week right here in my fantasy league, because that's just how weekly we roll over here. It'll be Friday through Sunday, and then Monday through Wednesday. And it'll cover games in the NBA. It'll cover games in the NCAA. You're going to have 11 games in each week. The NCAA season has 6 weeks left, or 6 games pretty much per team left. So, you guys, we're getting in at the end of the NCAA season. And I'm doing that for a reason, because a lot of people don't even watch the beginning of the NCAA, and they don't start watching till March Madness. So I'm hoping people will start watching a month sooner, and then also with including the NBA, you'll get some NBA action also. I'll take a break and do something else for the NBA Finals because the format doesn't fit my format very well. But we have fantasy matchups between NBA teams and fantasy matchups between NCAA teams. And right now, Game 12, you have Oklahoma going up against Texas Tech in real life, but you have actually Oklahoma facing Michigan State and Texas Tech facing Kansas in the fantasy games. So that'll be exciting. You also have at 5 tonight, the Cavaliers going up against the OKC Thunder in real life. But the fantasy matchup is the Cavs versus the Warriors and OKC versus the T-Wolves. So when I say fantasy matchups, if you're new to this, basically what that means is that it's all about point differential. So if the Cavaliers say they win by 7 points, you got to hope that Golden State tomorrow beats their opponent by 8. So whoever has a larger point differential in a win, they're the winner of the fantasy matchup. And then if there's a tie, it's just a tie. I will do ties because it makes it a little bit more interesting come the end of the season when tiebreakers come into effect. So I'm gonna post all the divisions. There's 8 divisions, 4 in the NBA, 4 in the NCAA, and all the divisions are R&B groups like 112, Boyz II Men, New Edition, Jodeci. So if you have a favorite team, or if you have a favorite R&B group, you can root for that particular division or team. So I'm going to post all that onto YouTube later, and enjoy the action right now. You guys have a happy Mardi Gras. Be safe. I'm already slurring my words. And whatever you do, make sure to throw some Tabasco on it, okay? And then have a happy Valentine's Day tomorrow. You guys enjoy the games.